In today's video, we are going to style head-to-toe looks with the new fall pieces from Walmart. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Theresa and this channel is all about affordable fashion. I am partnering with Walmart yet again on this video, so huge thank you to them. I am going to link everything that we talk about in the description box below for you. The first piece that I want to talk about is this denim dress that I'm wearing. This one is by Free Assembly and sells for $36 on the Walmart website. It comes in sizes extra small through 2XL. The fabric is 100% cotton. I love a cotton piece. And this is not a lightweight chambray, by the way. It has the feel and weight of a denim jacket to me. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry, so that's easy. Denim in general is a huge trend for fall. It feels like denim is always on trend, but anyway, I love the idea of a denim dress right now. I just can't get over the quality of this particular dress for the price. I think it would look equally stylish with booties and tights, and of course it looks great with the tall boots that we're going to talk about next. As soon as I saw these tall boots on the Walmart website, I knew that I was going to be ordering them because they tick all of the boxes for me. These are by Sam and Libby, which has quickly become one of my favorite brands for footwear on the Walmart website. These sell for $40 and are available in sizes 6 through 11 in whole and half sizes. For your reference, I am wearing my true size 8 in these. These come in 2 colors. The ones that I'm sharing they're calling cinnamon, and they also come in a rich jet black that I'm very tempted by. These are a soft and flexible faux suede with a full side zipper, which I think adds just enough structure to hold them up, which I'll show you in just a moment. I think these boots will also look amazing with a pair of leggings and a long tunic top. My favorite part about these boots is how flexible and soft and supple they are. I don't always find rigid tall boots particularly comfortable. When I had these on, it felt like I had on those leg warmers from the 80s. It felt cozy and soft and comfortable. And yet when they're on, this side zip adds just enough structure to hold them up. I absolutely love these. Did you know that most of you that are watching this video right now are not subscribed? Can you do me a huge favor and take just a moment to hit that red subscribe button down below? It really helps the channel out and I appreciate each and every one of you. I want to talk about this gorgeous sweater next. This one is by Scoop and sells for $28. It's available in 5 rich colors in sizes extra small through 2XL. The fabric is 83% acrylic, which honestly is not always my favorite, but while I'm standing here wearing this, at least it feels all right on my skin. It is 16% polyester and 1% spandex. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry. This sweater is a relaxed fit and it has some pretty cable knit stitching on the front. It is plain on the back, and then it has dropped shoulders and a ribbed knit trim at the cuffs. This sweater has some heft to it, and I mean that in a good way. When the weather turns cold, this is going to keep you warm and toasty. I also think that it layers nicely with the corduroy vest from my last Walmart video. If you haven't watched that one yet, I will link that one in the cards above for you. Oftentimes the color palette for fall is a little bit on the subdued side, and I love bold color. There was a lot of bold color on the runways for fall 2023. Red is going to be huge, and also this color of coral, and I couldn't be happier about that. Next, I want to talk about a pair of wide leg jeans that I have to be honest, I am really on the fence about. These are by Time and True and sell for just $22.98. They are available in sizes 2 through 18 in regular and short inseams, and I always appreciate that. These do come in 3 washes, but with that said, all 3 are on the lighter side. I just wanted to point that out. The fabric is 72% cotton, and I do love a high cotton content. And then they have 23% polyester and 2% spandex. It says that there's 3% other fiber. I have to be honest, not sure what that means, but I digress. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry, so that's easy enough. Here's the thing, I know that wide leg jeans are very much on trend and wildly popular, but with that said, I am not convinced that this particular trend does anything for my body type. Because I am 5'4", I just feel like these make me look wider and shorter. Now it could just be perception. I do have a pair of wide leg jeans that I love by Sofia Vergara. In fact, I want to run clips of both wide leg jeans side by side. I feel like because the Sofia Vergara ones are more of a streamlined fit and a dark denim that they're more flattering. But be sure and let me know in the comments down below because you ladies never steer me wrong. I have another dress to share with you. I've really been into this olive green color. This one is by Time & Tru and is under $20, so it's a great price point, especially for a one and done outfit. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL and is available in 3 pretty solid colors and also a really pretty print. The fabric is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry. This dress has just a little bit of a ruffle at the V neckline and then some smocking detail. The balloon sleeves have just a little puff at the shoulder. This dress comes with a matching self-tie belt that is removable, so if you want to switch the belt out for a different vibe, you can definitely do that, but then it does have elastic at the waist that nips in the waist for you. I think this dress is so versatile. It can definitely be dressed up, but you can also just throw on a denim jacket and maybe some cute boots and you've got a more casual look. I also really like the fabric on this one. The color of this next top makes me think of pumpkin spice and everything nice. This one is by Time & Tru. It sells for just $14.98. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it is available in 2 solids and 2 prints. I'm showing what they're calling orange brick, which I think is just the perfect color for fall. And I am wearing my true size small in this one. The fabric is 54% cotton, so again, I'm happy about that, and 46% rayon, which feels like a nice blend to me. It gives it a nice hand feel. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry, and to use a medium iron if needed. I have to be honest, I was worried that when this one arrived, that it would be atrociously wrinkled, but when it arrived in the mail, just a quick pass with the steamer knocked out all of the wrinkles. I decided to try this top with my new favorite jeans from Walmart at the moment, which are the Time & Tru straight leg jeans. I also tried them on with the aforementioned Sofia Vergara wide leg trouser jeans, and I really like both looks. I think this top will transition beautifully into fall because as the weather gets cooler, you could add a layer. So you could add a blazer, you could add a cardigan, or that Time & Tru corduroy vest. I keep looking at that Time & Tru corduroy vest in the black, and I'm really tempted to pick that one up as well. But either way, I just love the color of this one. Next, I want to talk about an ankle boot by Sam and Libby. I was really drawn to the texture of this one. This one sells for $35. It comes in sizes 6 through 11 in whole and half sizes, and it is available in 3 colors. I showed this same booty in my previous Walmart video in kind of a smooth ivory color, but I really wanted to show it in this camel corduroy because I love the texture. This same boot also comes in a striking red, which as I mentioned is very much on trend for fall and winter, and the red one is kind of a faux suede finish. This booty has a sturdy block heel and a nice non-skid sole. Shades of brown are also very much on trend for fall, and I love how this one kind of goes with everything. It's really a neutral. Next, I want to talk about the top that I'm wearing because I think that this is a really great basic for fall. This one is by Free Assembly and sells for just $20 on the Walmart website. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it is available in 6 wearable colors. I'm showing the black because it's just such a good basic to mix and match, but all of the colors will match beautifully to your wardrobe. The fabric is 50% viscose, 28% polyester, and 22% polyamide. I'm honestly not familiar with that one, but whatever it is gives this top such a luxe feel. The care instructions say to machine wash cold inside out and tumble dry, so that couldn't be easier. I think this particular top is very versatile, and you could probably wear it for 3 out of the 4 seasons. Because it has short sleeves and is a lightweight, you could wear it in the spring, but you can also use it as a great basic to layer for fall and winter. I am always perusing the Walmart website looking for pieces to share with you ladies in videos, and I was so excited when I saw that this blazer is back for fall. I missed out on this one last season because they sold out of my size, and I am thrilled to have it now. This one is by Scoop and sells for just $34. It comes in sizes extra small through 2XL, and this is another piece that is a great basic for your wardrobe. The fabric is 67% rayon, 29% nylon, and 4% spandex, which gives it the perfect amount of stretch, and the best part is it is machine washable. It is so rare to find a blazer with easy care instructions. This one can also go right in the dryer. There is so much that I love about this particular blazer and why I was so bummed that I couldn't get it last year. The sleeves are already ruched for you, and since I always push up my sleeves to best suit my proportions, having them tacked into place is a game changer. Although this blazer can look very sophisticated, honestly it's as comfortable as a sweatshirt thanks to the stretch fabric. Now, if you happen to work in an office, this blazer is a no-brainer. But even if you have a more casual lifestyle like I do, this looks amazing with jeans or even dresses for when you want arm coverage. The minute I saw this one back on the Walmart website in my size, I put it right into my cart and checked out because I know that I will get a ton of wear out of this. Next, I have another dress to share with you, and I just love the retro ladylike look of this one. This one is by Free Assembly and it sells for $39, which again, for a dress, isn't bad for a one and done outfit when you think about it. This one comes in sizes extra small through 2XL and is available in 3 colors. I am wearing my regular size small in this one. The fabric is 100% cotton. Gotta love that breathable fabric. This dress has a crisp poplin feel to it, and it is so well made for the price. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry, and then use a cool iron if needed. I paired this dress with the Salmon Libby tall faux suede boots, but I also think this dress would look lovely with a pair of nude pumps. I feel like such a proper lady in this one. It reminds me a little bit of the 50s housewives, but with a more modern take. I think that the cut is super flattering. We're actually planning on going out to dinner tonight, and I think I'm going to wear this dress with a pair of pumps. I just love it. I would love to know which Walmart fall outfit was your favorite. Be sure and let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you next time. These are a soft and flexible faux suede. Let me try that again. So you could add a cardigan, you could add a vest, you could add, that's only 2.